Keep peas fresh for months in your fridge. To store peas in the fridge for a long time, blanch them in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, then immediately transfer them to ice water to stop the cooking process. After cooling, drain and dry the peas, then store them in airtight containers or freezer-safe bags in the refrigerator. Detailed steps. Prepare the peas. Shell the peas and rinse them thoroughly. Blanching. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the peas and blanch for 2 to 3 minutes. Cooling. Immediately transfer the blanched peas to a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. Drying. Drain the peas and spread them on a clean surface to dry completely. You can also use a paper towel to pat them dry. Storage. Once dry, pack the peas into airtight containers or freezer-safe bags, removing as much air as possible before sealing. Refrigerate. Store the sealed bags or containers in the refrigerator. Tips for longer storage. Blanching helps to preserve the color, texture, and flavor of the peas. For longer storage, consider freezing the peas after blanching and drying. Ensure the peas are completely dry before storing to prevent freezer burn.